Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles, and today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. And I happened to spy some kind of pattern that I hadn't bought before, and I'm kind of running low on chances of that because I've pretty much bought every paper there is, I think, in Japan. But this was a new design that was available from Toyo, which always makes really great origami paper. And it's called Japan Washi Chiyogami Fascinating. I thought that was just so great. It's fascinating paper. All right, so it definitely looks fascinating, right? There's 4 different patterns, 7 sheets each. You get a total of 28 sheets. And these guys always make really great origami paper. The set itself is like a little over 300 to 400 yen, which is pretty normal for these guys because you are getting a pretty nice, good quality of origami paper as opposed to the 100 yen stores kind of stuff. So, like I said, there's these 4 patterns, and you just tell when you touch it, it's just such a nice, rich paper pattern. They have the instructions here for how to make a little pouch, apparently, by Makoto Yamaguchi, so that's always cool. And then here are all the papers. Now, like I said, this is good, nice quality paper. You've got the beautiful paper texture here on the top, and then the flip side has that nice smooth white finish to it that has sort of that like waxy feel to it. So it's thick. It's got a nice thickness to it. So it's going to fold really well, but you will need to make your creases really good because it is a little thicker than some other cheap Chiyogami paper. And the patterns are just beautiful. I don't know if I'd say they're fascinating, but they're very pretty. Really deep, rich colors of this kind of style. And you don't see these kinds of darker colors very often, so I think that's what's kind of nice about it. That's gorgeous. So pretty. Wow. With those like sakura flowers there at night. That is really beautiful. And then we got this guy here with the plum blossoms. Very pretty. Good choice. And then what's this last one here? Oh, that's pretty with the fans. So definitely nice little collection of stuff here. Almost kind of like, this would probably be more of like a festive New Year sort of theme. So you've got like January, February, March, and then later in the summer probably with that one. But well, that could go anytime. But very, very pretty collection of paper. They don't necessarily work together very well, but they could create some really cool stuff. So definitely, you don't usually get to see many origami paper that has such a black base to it. I like that. So maybe that's fascinating, huh? Yeah, so if you guys are big fans of origami paper and you want to get some good quality paper, but that's got some kind of uniqueness to it, Toyo always makes really good stuff. So I would recommend it to people for that. And you can count on them to have good things for a reasonable price. Sometimes Japanese, souvenir stores have a tendency to kind of overcharge for their washi, I think. It's pretty, but it's sometimes not as worth as much as they charge you for, unless you know you're getting some that's locally produced and handmade nearby, then it's worth paying for. But definitely, can kind of take a chunk out of what budget you might have for buying paper when you visit. So you can go in here and finding stuff like this. And then, of course, places like Daiso and Seiya are good places to get things too. But you go down a rank for the quality every time you change from each of those. So I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!